Hey, you guys, it's Double Moms, and in today's episode, we're going to take a look at iBio Inc., ticker symbol IBIO, a securities purchase agreement, private placement funding, and AI play. But before we begin, if you haven't already subscribed, guys, hit that subscribe button and set notifications on so you don't miss any episodes, and like and share. Also, let me begin by saying, folks, that we are not financial or stock advisors, and we are not giving stock or financial advice. This episode is for entertainment purposes only. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Hey, always do your own due diligence. If you want access to our private Discord so you can get our pre-market picks early, the link is in the description, and we pick a lot of bangers a lot of times. We called out OPGN on our early watch list yesterday, March 25th, 2024, and pre-market today, March 26th, 2024, before it ran up 109%. We also called out CZOO today, March 26th, before it ran up 104%. We also called out MRDB in our private Discord today, March 26th, before it ran up 101% in after hours. And finally, we called out STOK in our early watch list yesterday, March 25th, and pre-market today, March 26th, before it ran up 100%. We are just made different. This is what we do. And the early bird gets the cash. By the way, we've also included a link to our membership website program, which also includes all of our incredible stock picks and over 380 episodes of material on how we find and trade stocks, how we read candlestick patterns, how we read key levels, how we use those critical indicators, and much, much more. Of course, there are no guarantees that you'll succeed in trading stocks if you join our membership site or not, but we share with you how we trade and what's been working for us. So let's get right into it with iBio Inc., ticker symbol IBIO, which is headquartered in Bryan, Texas. It is a publicly traded New York Stock Exchange biotechnology company with a $3.82 million market cap and 26 employees. iBio is an AI-driven biotechnology company that engages in the development of precision antibodies in the United States using computational biology and 3D modeling. It offers iBio 100, which is a preclinical antifibrotic program for the treatment of chronic hardening and tightening of the skin and connective tissues and scarring, fibrosis of the lungs. And they also have a specialized platform which provides an optimized CD3 T-cell engager antibody panel. The company is also developing vaccine candidates to reduce tumor growth, peptides for use in chemotherapy and immunotherapy, and antibodies to treat glioblastoma and other cancers, and proteins for treating rheumatoid arthritis, cancers, and other inflammatory diseases. iBio was established in 2008. Now, let's take a look at iBio's most recent news. The company announced today, on March 26, 2024, that it has entered into a securities purchase agreement for a private investment in public equity, or PIPE, PIPE financing, that is expected to result in gross proceeds to the company of approximately $15 million. The fully subscribed PIPE financing included the participation of several institutional and accredited investors, and the company plans to use the net proceeds from the offering for general corporate purposes, including research and development and working capital. iBio also expects that the net proceeds will extend its cash runway to fund its operating plan through fiscal year 2025. Now, the price action on iBio stock was pushed upward today with this news, And this could potentially keep the price moving upward tomorrow if more volume or a news catalyst comes in. A continuation in price increase is very possible. We will be keeping an eye on it. Now, since iBio is also an AI biotech company, this could be also be good news for the stock price because there's been a lot of AI news with the release of ChatGPT, massive earnings by Nvidia, and other companies like Microsoft and others getting into the AI field. Moreover, people like Elon Musk have also been keeping the AI conversation front and center in the media for many months now. As a result, a lot of AI-related microcap stocks that happen to be in the AI sector have gone parabolic. Now, will iBio run parabolic? There's no way to know for sure. Only time will tell, but we will be keeping an eye on it. Now, as we said earlier, if you want access to our private Discord so you can get our pre-market picks early, the link is in the description. We pick a lot of bangers a lot of times. We are just made different. And the early bird gets the cash. By the way, we've also included that link to our membership website program, which also includes all of our incredible stock picks and over 380 episodes of material on how we find and trade stocks, how we determine our entry and our exit points on trades, how we read candlestick patterns, how to read key levels, how we use those critical indicators, and much, much more. Of course, there are no guarantees that you'll succeed in trading stocks if you join our membership site or not, but we share with you how we trade, folks, and what works for us. In conclusion, iBio Inc. is a publicly traded New York Stock Exchange company that is in the healthcare, biotechnology, and AI sector. The AI sector is very hot right now. iBio is a company that we will be watching, and with the right increase in volume, we believe it could be conducive for momentum parabolic day trading. Now, will iBio run parabolic? It will need volume, but who knows for sure? Of course, we would need to see continued volume before we actually day trade this stock. This is not advice, and we are not pros, folks. It's just my opinion. But I will have iBio on my watch list. It's Double Moms, and I will see all of you again on the flip side.